Hey guys, my ultra convenient bar bag has a little message for y'all.
Doing wheelies is the best, but when you're jumping around doing combos, you don't want a pocket full of pointy keys or an oversized phone weighing you down. And you definitely don't want a bulky backpack when you're just trying to carry the essentials. My solution? The Thrilseekers Bar Bag V2. Hold up, this sounds like an ad. Is this an ad? Oh, that's right, it's not an ad. Regardless, this bag looked super sweet and exactly what I needed for my purposes, so I copped it. The Bar Bag V2 is an upgraded version of the original Thrilseekers bar bag. It features a universal mounting system with Molly-style webbing and 4 Velcro straps, so you can mount it to nearly anything. It's water resistant with a sealed zipper and rubber capped rope pulls for a quiet ride with no jingling zippers. Now inside, there's an inner mesh pocket to keep the essentials organized. I typically just use this for GoPro batteries and miscellaneous small items. The bag itself is 8 inches long, 5 inches high, and 2 inches deep, so it'll fit a large iPhone pretty easily. Now this bag does look small, but it actually can hold a lot, so I'll show you guys what is all in here right now. You've got a wallet, you've got a cell phone, we've got keys, we've got Loctite, we've got a lock for the bike that always stays in this bag, we've got random tools for the razor, and we've got a separate sleeve with just miscellaneous GoPro batteries. So it does fit a lot of stuff. Now historically I have used this sling bag, but let's hop on the bike and talk about why 99% of the time this thing is not necessary.
Oh guys, I just hit my knee so hard on the peg unloading this thing, but YouTube, we're here to close lot and I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna talk about, so let's go. First we're gonna do some wheelies though. Oh yeah, we're getting comfy with the stand-ups on all the bikes now, which is great. Getting good at them on the Razor helped a lot, so now I can do them on the XXX pretty comfortably. Woo! But anyways guys, really the benefits to this Thrilseekers bar bag, I mean the biggest thing for me at least, for 99% of the riding I don't really need to bring out that many items. So for me it just gets rid of bulky pockets. So I do have my phone in my pocket right now, but it just, typically I'd put it in here. I don't know why I didn't put it in here, but it gets rid of bulky pockets, and that's important when you're carrying like keys, phones, anything in your pockets that are bulky. It's really important when you're just riding, specifically doing combos. You're moving all around. You don't want stuff sticking out of your pants or falling out of your pockets. It's not ideal. So that's like the biggest thing. Now, that doesn't mean that the sling bag here doesn't have some applications, and the biggest applications are just going to be when you have larger items. So like if you have a DSLR camera or like a big water bottle you want to bring with, you're not going to be able to fit it in here. You could definitely fit like a DJI pocket in here or like a point and shoot, but like an actual detachable lens camera, not going to fit in this bag, so it'll fit in here. So that's going to be the one big benefit. So the sling bag isn't totally useless. I'll still use it if I'm trying to carry larger items, but most of the time I'm not carrying larger items, so it's just cumbersome. And the downsides of it really are that it swings all around. It's a sling bag, so I try to put it back behind my back, but it always ends up just swinging forward like right here. It's also not that easy to get to the stuff in it. Even though it faces up here, I undo it and I open up this lip, but I can't really see in the bag, so it's just not that great. Like right now I've got a little tripod in it, but that could fit in here easily. So I don't know, it's nice if you have to carry real big stuff, but the bar bag up front is just so much more convenient. And the best part is it's always on a bike. You don't have to do anything, so it's just always there. I always have stuff in it that I need. I can just get it right out. But yeah guys, this, damn, it's getting dark so fast. Woo! So yeah guys, this bar bag honestly is a great little option. I can't lie. Like, I think it actually looks really good on the bike. Ironically, on the Razor, it covers a lot of this like ugly stuff I have going on under here, like this USB charger and like the routed brake lines that look like crap. So it looks really good. It makes the bike look even better in my opinion. I wish I had 2 of them. I'm probably gonna get one to put on the XXX too. I just kind of swap them as I ride bikes, but it's so nice. Like I said, I just keep my little lock in there too, so that's super convenient. I don't know, and it just makes it way more convenient. And if I can avoid wearing a freaking backpack or a sling bag, I absolutely will. And look at us just do these Ninox circles with complete and utter ease, people. Yeah, bud. So yeah, guys, for me, I mean, I dig this bag. Again, it's $48 online from Thrilseekers. I wish I could tell you I have a code, but guess what? Your boy does not. But no big deal. I still like the bag. I'm gonna still show it love because it's convenient, and I think it's the best option. Like, I haven't really seen any other bags that are similar that I would like as much. So good option. I'll leave it linked down below in the description. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are well on our way to 100K subs. We're at like 92 right now, so if you could sub, that would be amazing. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm a fan of this bag. Good bag. I'll catch you next time, though. Peace.